What am I? Come here. Excuse me. What am I? Can you tell me?
Well, you aren't an elephant. I'm an elephant and my body is very big. Your body is very small. You have got big ears.
No, I haven't.
Well, elephants have got big ears. No, you aren't an elephant. Sorry.
Come here. Excuse me. What am I? Can you tell me?
Well, you aren't a crocodile. I'm a crocodile and I've lots of long white teeth. You aren't a thief. You aren't a thief. Have you got a long tail?
No. My tail is short. Small, short tail.
Well, crocodiles have got a long tail. You aren't a crocodile, sorry.
Come here. Excuse me. What am I? Can you tell me?
Well, you aren't a monkey. I'm a monkey and I've got a funny face. You haven't got a funny face. Can you tell this?
No, I haven't.
No.
I can't.
Well, monkeys can climb trees. You aren't a monkey, sorry.
Come here. Excuse me. What am I? Can you tell me? I'm not a crocodile. I'm not an elephant. I'm not a crocodile, and I'm not a monkey. I
Have got
have got two wings,
and
I 2 feet yellow.
two
Two yellow feet.
Me too.
I can swim, and I can walk, and I can fly.
Me too. You are a duck. You are a duck like me.
I'm a duck. I'm a duck. Yippee!
very good.